My name is Kit Pannill, and I've lived in Palm Beach since 1984. And I originally went from Richmond, Virginia. I was here maybe 3 months and I loved it. I mean, I started playing, because I played tennis like 5 days a week. I met people, I played tennis, and everybody was nice. I mean, I expected everybody to be real snooty and snobby and terrible, and they were so nice that I just about fell over. What inspires me to give back to my community is the fact that I feel very blessed that I'm able to do the things that I do. Well, right now I'm mostly involved with the preservation and the Society of the Four Arts, and those are my two main things right now. You know, we're doing some restoration at the Four Arts, Society of Four Arts, and the Chinese Garden, and preservation. I feel like that because there's so many people coming from everywhere now down to Palm Beach. I hope that preservation will maybe teach them to respect the community and to also realize that we have to keep a lot of the things that we have here. The thing I'm most proud of is my two daughters, who also have been involved in a lot of community work. And my one daughter, Anna, lives in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, and my other daughter lives here in Palm Beach, and she's been head of so many different things. And my daughter in Jackson has been very involved in land trusts and different types of things. And so I'm proud that they are giving back to their communities too. Bibi Warren, I never will forget when she called me. I was in North Carolina at my house, and she said, "Kid, I want you to be this thing called the Woman of Distinction." And I said, "Well, what does that mean?" And then she told me, I said, "Well, I don't think I'm a woman of distinction." I said, "I don't think I've done anything that deserves that." And she said, "Oh, yes, you have, yes, you have." So I said, "Okay, well, I'll be glad to be." I think everybody I think that they should invest in the students, because that's our future, first of all. That's why I would invest in the students, or give money, to help the students to have an education. I would say for college students, not to be always focused on me, me, me. They need to begin to think about other people and what they're going to do in the future, and maybe giving back to their community.